What's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to Cars and Coffee with the Infinity. We're gonna meet up with a bunch of the homies. We're gonna have a good day today. It's a good Saturday morning. Probably gonna post this on Sunday, so it's gonna be Sunday for you guys. But anyways, happy weekend, guys. Let's get to this car show and check out this freaking shirt that I found. It's like an ES300 Lexus Huff collab. It's a Street Fighter collab. Super sick. I swear, I've been going to all these random stores and finding these crazy ass shirts lately. But anyways, alright, let's get to this car show, guys. Let's meet up with the boys. Damn, dog, you look fitting. Hell yeah, that thing is so sick. So little backstory on that car. I put my windows up. My buddy Yusuf just picked up that car. It's like AC Cobra replica 427 Roush built stroker motor. So it makes like 550 horsepower, like a stupid amount of torque. It's like NASCAR-ish, pistons, rods, sleeves. Super crazy car. I drove it the other day. I'm gonna make another video driving that car. My homie Jonathan just drove it. If you didn't see him, one of those first clips. And this thing is fucking crazy. Look what I found. I think this is an SF90. So sick. Wow, and it's a girl. We pulled up, look what I found. We got two Hellcats over here. We got some Q60s back here. Damn, looks like it's gonna be pretty sick, not gonna lie. I pulled up with a bunch of people. We flew by a bunch of freaking cops on the way here and they did not come after us, so thank God.
Remember they say we got a snoozer?
Damn. That shit sounds crazy. Gave up on the Cobra. What happened? Go right. Dude, this thing is so bright. Look at the camera. It doesn't even come out how bright this is in the camera. This low-key hurts my eyes though. Looking at it for too long. This thing is sick though. Super clean. The R888s too? Damn hard. Damn, dude. Dang, with the clean ass bag setup too. Oh shit. Look at the door panels. Fish? Hard. Man, it's like a dream. Bucket list. Damn, dog. Is it a tomato? That's so crazy. Clean ass interior too. Damn. And with the 1J non-BVTI? Damn, this one has a clean ass interior too. Ooh, why do I keep seeing these everywhere? Damn. All factory. Damn, with the HKS kit. So clean. Pretty clean. Turbo. Has the new 370 wheels too. Not bad. M4. What is this, a 135? Yup. All gutted out with one seat. Damn. Damn, this M3 is clean right here too. Damn, E46 M3 is like another one on the bucket list. Super clean. Damn, super clean. With the Falcon 615K pluses. What's crazy is this body probably costs like 15 grand now. How stupid this fucking prices rose. How much you think these things cost now? This is probably like 15K just for this. Not bad, not bad.
Super 90s style with the turbo.
I want this setup. I want this trunk setup so bad. Is it open? Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh my goodness. Dude, Yusuf was tripping out on this earlier. So sick. Damn. So clean. GT3 kit. And with the BBS's.
Uh-oh, is it so
hard.
And then it's so hard.
Crazy carbon. The fat lip. Dude, these BBS's are hard. Damn, this shit is crazy. With the center locks, dude. You see this?
No.
She has center locks on it, yeah.
Oh.
That's hard. 2 sets of twins? 1 set? 2 set? Damn, that's crazy. This color is cool. It's like a fierce fuchsia. Damn, this thing is nice. Clean ass wing. Super clean. Later, homie. So, we wrapping up Cars and Coffee today. It was a good day, good drive. I blew by a cop going way too fast and he didn't pull me over, so that was a success. Saw a few cool cars today. But I think it's gonna be a wrap to this video. It's a short video. I just wanted to bring you guys a little bit of content. But I am buying some new wheels for the Q60 today. I'm super excited to announce them. They're pretty hard. I'm still gonna keep the set I have now, but this is gonna be more of a drag setup, so I can go to the drag strip and gap some people. So I will be posting those probably tomorrow. I'm gonna post another video tomorrow showing you guys the wheels. I'll test with them and everything in the morning. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and have a good rest of your days.